In this video, I'll show you how to use and enter star codes on Roblox Mobile. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing to the channel. And once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like as well. We really do appreciate it. And make sure to watch this video right until the end, and let's get straight into this video. Here we are on Roblox, and just to reiterate, this guide is going to work on any type of phone as long as you've got Roblox on it. That's going to work on iPhone, Android, tablets, it's all going to work. And you can do this in the Roblox app as well as the Roblox website in your browser as well. So the first thing you need to do is go and press on the home icon in the bottom navigation bar, and it's going to go and take you to the Roblox homepage. Then all you need to do is go and press on the Roblox icon in the top right, just like so, next to the notification bell and the magnifying glass, which is the search button. Tap on it here. Then at the top it's going to tell your balance, and it's got Roblox packages, and then right at the bottom it says tap here to go and add a star code. So all you need to do is press on tap here, and as you can see it's now giving us a text box where we can go and type in a star code. So if you didn't know the definition of a star code, it says enter a star code to support your favorite video star. They're going to earn 5% of your purchase, and you're going to keep the Robux you paid for. So it's basically a free way of supporting creators on Roblox, while you still keep all your Robux, but you give a bit to them. So go and tap on the text box just like so, and you can go and type in the code. So for example, I'm going to type in Flamingo, so I'll type that in just like so. He's a popular creator, so go and type it in and then press add. And if it's successful, it's then going to say you are supporting Flamingo. You can go and remove it if you'd like, but there we go. So when I go and purchase Robux, Flamingo's going to go and receive 5% of that. For example, if I go and purchase 80 Robux, he's going to go and receive 4 Robux, and you're going to keep your 80. It's just a free bonus. And of course, you click remove and you can type in anyone you like, but it may say not valid if that isn't valid. For example, I type in you, it says invalid code. If you found this video useful, please go down below and consider subscribing to the channel. Leave a like for more. Peace.